Hello viewers, I am Sanjib Baruah. Today I would like to present a small presentation on our precious organ eye that enables us to see things and gather knowledges. It's our duty to know all about it so that we can protect it from diseases and disorders of eye. So, let me start with the parts of eye. The sclera is located on the outer layer of the eye, near the cornea, and holds the shape of the eyeball through its strong fibers. The cornea controls the amount of light that enters the eye and focuses the received light. It is located in front of the eye, covering the pupil, iris, and anterior chamber. The lens and the crystalline lens are the same in the eye's anatomy, with the main purpose of focusing light onto the retina. The pupil, located in the center of the eye and covered by the cornea, allows light to enter the eye and be focused in the retina by the lens, forming images. The iris, located behind the cornea and in front of the crystalline lens, controls the size of the pupil and regulates the amount of light entering the eye. The vitreous body is a gel-filled substance that protects the eye's parts from the lens to the retina. The retina, located at the back of the eye, receives light passing through the lens and converts it into visual images. Retinal vessels supply blood to inner retinal neurons, while the chorocapillaris beneath the retinal pigment epithelium provides oxygen to the photoreceptor layer through diffusion. The optic nerve, consisting of millions of nerve fibers, carries messages from the eyes to the brain and extends directly from the back of the eyes beginning at the optic disc. The hyaloid canal has the hyaloid artery that supplies blood to the developing lens.